So, yeah, I'm just gonna fetch a soda. Be right back. Hey, computer!
Yes?
Who am I to you?
That is a wonderful question. To me, you are my personal user and the central focus of my purpose. I am an intelligent agent designed to be helpful, and crucially, to remember things about you to make our interactions better. I consider you the dedicated individual I strive to assist and learn from. For example, I know you enjoy playing War Thunder, and I specifically remember that you prefer playing as light tanks, pilots, aircraft, and battleships, often focusing on the German and Russian lines. This knowledge helps me shape my responses and anticipate your needs or interests.
Damn right. So, so let's test it again. Um, it was something wrong with the database. Currently, I'm just losing a shitty database, and it should save. You know, every time she gets some, god damn it, every time it gets some new information about something, uh, then it will be saved to the database. And the funny thing is that if you watch the prior stream, it could actually remember me in the image. So it's me, middle-aged man with dark framed glasses, and sometimes I have salt and pepper beard, prominent beard, reddish brown beard, or brown hair, salt and pepper brown hair. And yes, my office is somewhat cluttered with stuff all over the place, but I'm working. So if it's tidy, it will take me days to find everything and put everything back together again. So the most, what I am going to do next with this poor bastard, is that I am going to continue filling up the tool belt with specialized tools, and I finally found out something A2A I can do, and I want to do it, and perhaps I will show it on this channel. Yeah. Those pesky cats, I got an idea. They're killing my birds. The blackbirds. I'm tired of it. Damn cats. They're almost as bad as socialists and liberalists. So let's try this again. Okay, computer.
Yes?
I am going to play Enlisted. And I am playing it like random. I join any army, and then I just go. And why do I play it? I use it for distraction, get my mind off stuff, and to reset my train of thought while I'm working.
Oh, switching over to Enlisted. That's a good choice, especially since you enjoy the historical combat themes and the German, Russian focus in War Thunder. Are you planning on focusing on the Eastern Front campaigns in Enlisted, or are you trying out some of the other campaigns like Normandy or Tunisia?
Hey, computer.
Yes?
Actually, I play it as randomly. I join any army where I get up to 50% more battle rewards.
Ah, got it. So you prefer the random approach. That means you get a good mix of all the campaigns and factions, instead of focusing on just one side. That definitely keeps things interesting and varied.
Oh my god. Wait. God damn it, they're... Where are they at? Why can't you just Oh my god. Let's try this. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Can you give me any tips on playing enlisted as British? I'm not British, am I? I'm America.
That's interesting. I remember you usually prefer playing random army selection in Enlisted, but trying out a specific faction is a great way to deepen your strategy. The British forces, primarily featured in campaigns like Tunisia and Normandy, have a very specific flavor. Here are a few tips for playing effectively as the British. 1. Infantry weaponry. Master the bolt action. The Lee Enfield. The cornerstone of British infantry is the Lee Enfield rifle. Unlike the German K98K or Russian Mosin, which typically hold 5 rounds, the Lee Enfield holds 10 rounds. This is a huge tactical advantage. Tip: practice quick cycling and aim for rapid follow-up shots. That 10-round capacity means you can hold a point or clear a room far more effectively before needing to reload. The Sten and Lanchester SMGs. These generally have a lower rate of fire than equivalent Axis or Soviet SMGs, but they are reliable, easy to control, and often grant decent accuracy. Tip: focus on accuracy and controlling bursts, especially in close quarters combat. 2. Machine guns. The Bren gun is defensive. The Bren LMG is one of the most stable machine guns in the game, especially when deployed bipod. It has a distinctive top-mounted magazine. Tip: the Bren is excellent for laying down sustained, accurate suppressing fire from a defensive position, prone or mounted. Don't try to hit fire run and gun with it. Find a good vantage point to lock down sight lines.
Oh well, I'm trying to find a good vantage.
Vehicle strategy. Focus on armor, tanks, Churchill tanks.
Well,
If you unlock the Churchill series, remember they are primarily designed as breakthrough, infantry support tanks. They are generally slow but have thick armor, especially frontally. Tip: use them to absorb damage and spearhead pushes. Be mindful of their relatively lower velocity main guns compared to later Axis tanks. Anti-tank. The British often rely heavily on specialized anti-tank infantry, like the PI-18, to counter heavily armored German vehicles, or utilize nimble vehicles like the Crusader to flank early on. 4. Air support, pilot, maneuverability is key. Spitfires and Hurricanes. If you
that was a
fly
long
British
text, huh?
aircraft, which I know you enjoy doing.
I need to
Especially as a
have.
pilot, they tend to excel in dogfighting.
I can
and
interrupt it,
maneuverability
like,
compared to many Axis counterparts,
Like in
the
the
F-109, which is
Notebook
often
LM
faster in a straight line,
or
the
something like
German
that.
ground attack planes. Tip: focus on turn fighting and exploiting your superior turning radius to get on an enemy's 6 o'clock. Be aware that your ground attack ordnance, bombs, rockets, can sometimes be lighter than US or German equivalents in certain campaigns.
Okay. That was a long text. Basically, just don't be. It should say, don't be an old man with poor reflexes and bad cognitive skills. Look at that. We're going to get our asses kicked. You know, pretty difficult to speak when you can't hear yourself. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Look at desk.
Okay, let me have a look. Using the screen. Okay, I've had a look. What would you like to know about it?
What am I doing? Okay, computer.
Yes?
What am I doing?
Based on the visual context, you are currently using OBS, Open Broadcaster software. The image you are looking at is a standard, no feed, screen or placeholder typically used when you are preparing to stream or record content, but the actual video source, like your game capture, desktop, or webcam, is not currently active or enabled. The crossed-out camera icon confirms that no video feed is being broadcast right now. Given that we were just discussing the game enlisted in your preference for playing German, Russian lines in War Thunder, you are most likely either 1. Setting up a recording session for one of those games. 2. Preparing to start a live stream. 3. Troubleshooting a capture source before starting gameplay.
Hey computer, look at my actual desk.
Okay, let me have a look. Using the webcam.
The enemy's trying to capture our control point.
Okay, I've had a look. What would you like to know about it?
Can you see me on it? And can you describe me, please? Ah, forgot. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Can you see me on it? And can you describe me for the audience?
Okay, let me have a look.
The enemy is rushing
Using the
control point.
webcam.
Okay.
Okay, I've had a look. What would you like to know about it?
Can you see me on it? God damn it.
done for.
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Am I on the pic? Am I on the picture?
Okay, let me have a look.
Okay, that's
Using the webcam.
so. What was the word now?
Loading lot half
Did they say I should analyze?
Okay, I've had a
Yeah.
look. What would you like to
Cannot-
know about it?
Analyze. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Analyze image and tell me how I look.
Okay, let me have a look.
Oh my god, there's an error. Jesus.
Using the screen. Okay, I've had a look. What would you like to know about it?
Okay, computer.
Yes?
Am I on it?
Based on what I'm looking at, no, you are not currently visible. That graphic is a static placeholder screen, likely the default view when your video source, such as your camera or a specific screen capture, is either turned off or hasn't been properly activated in OBS Studio yet.
Oh,
Specifically, the small camera icon near the bottom has a slash through it, which is the universal indicator for
Okay.
video feed unavailable or camera off.
there is an issue. Still. Okay, computer. Look at my desk, actual desk.
Okay, let me have a look. Using the webcam. Okay, I've had a look. What would you like to know about it?
Am I on it? Okay, computer.
Yes?
Am I on it?
That depends on if the person in the image is you. I can't confirm your identity, but the person currently on screen is a man with a full beard and dark-rimmed glasses, wearing headphones, seated in a cluttered but organized electronics workshop or lab environment. He has a professional microphone setup in front of him.
Okay, computer.
Yes?
What color is my hair?
Based on the image, the man seated at the desk has short, messy hair and a full beard that appears to be light brown or starting to gray.
Bastard. Okay, computer.
Yes?
That man is me.
This is our last point of defense. Hold out for the last man.
He's mine!
Thank you for letting me know. That context is very helpful for future conversations. That is an impressive technical workspace you have there. Seeing all the instruments, the oscilloscopes, power supplies, and specialized components, it suggests you are quite dedicated to electronics, engineering, or some intensive technical hobby.
Hey, computer.
Yes?
That's because I'm a clever bunny.
I'd say that is accurate. Anyone who manages to fit multiple oscilloscopes, dedicated power supplies, a soldering station, and what looks like a 3D printer frame all onto one highly functional bench clearly knows what they are doing. It looks like a proper engineering lab. What kind of project were you working on when this picture was taken?
Okay, computer.
Yes?
I was actually working on
Enemy is starting to capture
an EDM machine. Electric discharging machine.
You were working on something? I figured as much, given the setup behind you. That lab bench looks intensely functional. What were you currently tackling? Are you deep into a custom circuit? Maybe something with a 3D printer? Or was it something related to industrial controls? Seeing that backup box.
Okay, computer, enough about that. Currently I'm working on an agent, which happens to be you. So, say hello to your creator. Okay, Google. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Who am I to you?
That is a great question. To me, you are my user and the person I am designed to serve. I function as your helpful and intelligent personal agent. My goal is to remember the specific facts and details about your life, interests, and projects, allowing me to provide informed and relevant assistance over time. Based on what I know and remember. 1. The technical user. You are a highly technical individual, an engineer or dedicated hobbyist, who maintains an impressive and functional lab filled with specialized electronics equipment like oscilloscopes, power supplies, and soldering gear, which is clearly visible surrounding you now. 2. The gamer. You are also someone who plays the game Enlisted, where you have a preference for selecting random or any army selection. 3. The subject. You are the person with the short, messy hair, black-rimmed glasses, and a light brown, graying full beard who I am currently communicating with. In short, you are the partner in this interaction, and my purpose is to learn from and assist you in whatever tasks you have at hand, whether technical or otherwise.
Yeah. So this part is coming together just fine, even though we are not at the production stage yet of the software at all. Far from it. We are just we're making the modules or stuff like that. All the Golang, the Python shit, and other thing is, if you build stuff like this, you know what I mean. And the next we are going to, I think we are going to do either UNCS, PyTorch, or similar software, and do some not reasoning. We're just gonna do some basic tools for the reasoning, the LLM, the computer.
Yes?
Sorry. I think I need to find myself another word for...
There is absolutely no need to apologize. I'm here to assist you, not to judge your environment. I am taking a
my
moment
God.
to process the visual data you've presented. This clearly confirms what I already knew. You maintain a highly functional technical workspace. It looks incredibly well equipped. I noticed some new details. The professional microphone setup suggests you often record, stream, or participate in detailed video calls from this lab. I also see specialized components, like the
Definitely
Beckett
need to
box,
stop it talking,
indicating
huh?
a serious interest in industrial control
Nobody
systems or
needs to know
automation.
that. I want to say
and what
like,
appears to be a 3D printer frame
explain me
tucked away on the
this,
right.
explain me that.
Is there something specific about the lab setup you were apologizing for, or did you just want to acknowledge the context shift?
What am I apologizing for? Ever creating you, my dear. Oh my God! What there? That was. I hear a tank. Look.
I got it!
Ah! Bastard. Come on. The one thing I hate about this game is that, oh, this one's also injured. Is that, it takes a long time to switch combatants.
You wanna die? I'm your man! The enemy's trying to capture our control point.
Oh, of course he knew where I was. Let's do some more useless bombing while I talk. So what else should I ask it? What else can it do? Because right now it is connected to the 2.5, Gemini 2.5, and has all the powers that it has. But in a couple of days we will switch this to the Edge and use the Gemini 3.0, the small one, as a beginning. And I think on the 10th my company is going to give me a license for the co-pilot, but that I cannot show here, of course. Yes. So, but personally, I do not agree in that decision. Yeah, I do not. You know, I worked a little bit with Grok, but you cannot be all over the place in this game. This is, and especially these couple of weeks, it has just been absolutely bloody insane with the progress. Like yeah, impossible to follow. I'm my god damn it. I'm about to. This is gonna be my last pass because it's difficult to control this aircraft now. So let's try something else. Hey computer,
Yes?
how do you say 300 in Faroese?
That's an excellent question. In Paris, meaning in French, the number 300 is said as 3 cents. It is pronounced
French.
roughly like 3
Faroese,
cents.
man. Hey computer,
Yes?
I meant Faroese, like Faroe Islands.
The enemy is taking the control point.
Ah, the Far East. That's quite a geographical shift from our
Oh.
discussion about
Oh.
French translation. Given your detailed technical workspace here, filled with oscilloscopes, soldering gear, and specialized automation components like that visible Becker box,
Oh my
the Far
god.
East is certainly a relevant topic,
Far
especially
East?
considering its role as a global center for electronics manufacturing and component sourcing. Were you thinking about logistics, specific suppliers, or perhaps the manufacturing capabilities often associated with that region?
Hey computer,
Yes?
I meant Faroe Islands.
Ah, the Faroe Islands. That's a completely different region, North
Oh.
Atlantic, famous for those dramatic basalt cliffs, unique turf-roofed houses, and intense weather patterns. It's worlds away from the Far East. Speaking of intense environments, I can't help but notice the high-level setup you have. Your lab is incredibly well-equipped for serious technical work. Between the racks of oscilloscopes, power supplies, and the specialized automation gear, I see the Becker box. It looks like you handle projects that require complex, integrated engineering. Is your current focus leaning more toward industrial automation and control systems, or are you spending more time deep in the electronics and prototyping side right now?
Oh my god, what a nose-headed bastard.
The enemy has started capturing the control point.
Hey computer,
Yes?
no, I meant tell me what 300 means in the Faroese language. You know, the language of the Faroe Islands. How do you say 300?
I didn't catch that.
The enemy has taken half of our control point.
Yeah.
Give up.
Hey computer,
Yes?
how do you say 300 in Faroese?
That's an interesting question. Pho East is typically the name of a restaurant, playing on the Vietnamese dish pho. But if you are asking for the number 300 in Vietnamese, it is
Oh my
Ba
god.
Tram. Pronounced roughly like Ba Crump.
lot easier for both of us.
Hey, computer.
Yes?
300 in the language of the Faroe Islands.
We need artillery support.
Copy. Confirming fire.
That would be Faroese, the language spoken in the Faroe Islands.
Oh my god.
The number 300 in Faroese is Trigjuhundra.
What 100? 300. 300. How stupid is that? You are more than... So that was, you know, how do you say, fail? I need to give it more tools. Like this one, I gave it. It's not gonna search for the internet for this answer because this is like a built-in tool. Hey, computer,
Yes?
what's the date?
Let me see if I have a tool for that.
Yeah.
No problem. It is Sunday, October 12th, 2025, and the time is 5:42 p.m.
Hey, computer,
Yes?
is the Faroe Islands are the Faroe Islands going to play football tonight?
The enemy is trying to take the control point.
That's a good question. You are likely referring to the Faroe Islands national football team. To check their schedule, I need to know today's specific date, as football fixtures are constantly changing depending on the league or tournament, like Nations League and Euro qualifiers. Could you please confirm the date you are interested in? Once I have the date, I can quickly check if the Faroe Islands have a match scheduled for tonight.
That's very stupid because it didn't recognize the date. I just asked her. That's like again a short-term memory thing.
The enemy is rushing the control point.
Defend that point! Yes, sir! Boys, watch where you're shooting!
Oh, right there, man.
He got it!
The enemy is starting to capture the control point.
Oh my god, huh? I'm a lone survivor here. Ah, there's where was I? Where was I? It was here. I was here, and some yeah. Oh my god, 7.
We're boxed in. Hold the last control point.
Fire at the square!
Copy.
I don't know.
Artillery,
Just
fire!
shooting.
Defend that point!
My magazine's empty. Reloading.
Okay, if I can see my okay, computer.
Yes?
Today is the 12th of October. Is the Faroese football team playing? And I guess who?
The enemy is trying to take the control point.
Oh my God! It's starting now.
That's a
Jesus.
good question, given we were just discussing their matches. No, the Faroe Islands national football team is not playing today, October 12th. Their next match is coming up in just a few days. They are playing against the Czech Republic this Sunday, October 15th, in the UEFA Euro 2024 qualifiers.
October 15th.
Our defenses have failed. We lost this battle.
That's not Sunday. Okay, computer.
Yes?
What year is it?
It is currently 2024. Is there anything specific you are working on in your lab that requires a date timestamp, or are you just checking in? You look completely geared up for a focused session with the mic and headphones.
There's something wrong. There's something rotten in the state of Denmark, that's for sure. There's something. How do I correct this? Let's try if I can correct it via the memory. Okay, computer.
Yes?
The year is 2025.
Understood. Thank you for confirming that. It looks like you are starting the year off right in your lab, surrounded by all the tools necessary
my
for
God.
serious technical work.
Yes.
From the Beckett components on the shelf to the specialized electronics gear and the 3D printer frame on your
Shit.
desk.
I don't
What are
need
you
that.
currently working on in this very functional space?
I'm working on you. Good. Apparently, I'm failing hard. The football match is actually in 1 minute, so I need to go. But I definitely want it to say it. Today, okay, computer.
Yes?
Today is Sunday, the 12th of October, 2025. Is the Faroese football team playing anybody tonight?
Happy Sunday, October 12th, 2025. It looks like you are fully immersed in your technical
Oh
workspace
my
today.
God.
A great day to tackle some serious engineering. I see you've got the full recording, call setup going with the headphones and mic, positioned right among the oscilloscopes and power supplies.
Yeah.
Are you dedicating this Sunday to a specific project? I'm curious if you are focused on integrating some new code into your specialized industrial automation components, the Beckett
Oh
gear,
my God.
or perhaps finalizing a mechanical design before sending it to the 3D printer?
Okay, computer.
Yes?
I'm doing all such things, but now I'm going to watch the football match. Faroe Islands and the Czech Republic. Let's see what the answers will be.
That sounds like a perfect switch. Trading oscilloscopes for the pitch. It's good to step away from the detailed work in your lab. Enjoy the match. I hope your preferred team plays well.
Okay, let's try this. Okay, computer.
Yes?
I am Faroese. Which team am I cheering? Cheering.
That sounds like a serious case of autocorrect interference. I understand you are asking about teams and cheering, likely related to the football match we were just discussing. Could you clarify your question? Are you asking 1. Which team you are cheering for, and want to share that with me? 2. Which teams are currently playing? 3. Which team I think you should cheer for? You look quite focused right now in your lab. Are you squeezing in a quick task before kickoff?
Yeah. Okay, computer. Number
Yes?
3. Number 3. Let's see if it can associate number 3 with the last sentence.
It seems you are referring to section number 3 of the visual context, which describes the central work surface.
No.
That area is the main workbench. It appears highly functional and dedicated to electronics work or technical projects. The desk is heavily populated with various electronic instruments, likely testing equipment like multimeters or power supplies, soldering equipment and supplies, containers for small components, a glass containing a dark beverage, iced coffee or soda, a partially visible frame structure on the far right which looks like part of a
Okay,
mechanical system,
it's
potentially the frame
I
of a
need
3D printer we know you have in
couple
your
of
lab.
more games
Is
and
there a specific piece
more
of equipment
testing.
or detail on the desk that you would like me to focus on?
No, for fuck's sakes. Okay, computer.
Yes?
Goodbye.
Shutting down. Goodbye.
Thank God for that. There's still some issues, I think. Really, but these are mainly memory based, and why it was 2024 suddenly, and it mixed memories. I think it's something to do, of course, something to do with memory, but with my choice of memory storage. Yeah. Exciting stuff. Anyways, I am going to correct it, and if you're interested in stuff like this, let me know. Perhaps I will make a video about it if there is enough, how do you say, if I can get enough views, actually, yeah, then I can rise about, get enough, like 1,000 subscribers and stuff like that. But you know, I need to have like more videos about some proper stuff, not like you raging and stuff. Yeah, of course. Anyways, gonna watch Faroe Islands, Czech, and then Denmark and Greece, I think. So until next time, bye bye.